If you're looking for the best settings for the Samsung Odyssey G4 monitor, here's a quick rundown. Set picture mode to custom for flexibility, then adjust brightness to 100 and contrast to 75 for vibrant, detailed images. Keep sharpness around 60 for crisp text and visuals, and leave contrast enhancer off to maintain natural detail. For color mode, use normal for accurate tones. In gaming, switch G mode to 2, enable game mode for lower input lag, turn adaptive sync on to reduce tearing, and set response time to fastest for smoother motion. For black equalizer, aim for 10-15 to brighten dark scenes without washing out highlights, and keep dynamic contrast off for consistent brightness. If you're using an NVIDIA GPU, tweak the control panel with brightness 50%, contrast 50%, gamma 0.85, digital vibrance 60-70%, image sharpening off, FXAA off, low latency mode ultra, and power management maximum performance. With these settings, your Odyssey G4 should look and perform its best for both everyday use and gaming. Do your own research first.